Hi guys, we're back to Perla Surprise. Today we're going to be making slime. First we're going to use glue. And we got laundry detergent. And this is optional. We're using glitter glue.
Yeah, glitter glue. So you need to ask your parents your permission. So
and you also need parents' help.
Yeah.
One bowl.
And we need a bowl. And we need stuff to mix with. So got two mixers.
And this is our glue right here.
And now we open up one glitter. Which one do you want?
The rainbow.
Open up one, Ellie. Can you open up one?
I think I picked this one.
That one? Okay.
I can't open one. Oh.
We're going to do it one at a time. Ellie, wait. One at a time. So, squeeze out all that glue. Ellie, wait.
All of it?
All that glue.
Yay!
Okay, so this is fun because our glitter glue is going to mix so delicious.
Is that enough?
Yep.
Squeeze it all out.
It's so hard to squeeze.
I know. Need help?
Yeah.
Okay, so press from the top, and then just squeeze, squeeze, squeeze.
It's my turn now.
Hold on, one at a time, remember?
And guys, my mom is helping.
Yeah.
You can use your mom or dad, but my mom's helping us.
So now you're just going to put a little bit of glue, white Elmer's glue, into your bowl.
Is that enough, Mommy?
Just some more. However much glue you're going to want. So
That's enough.
that's
Boo-boo.
enough. Okay.
Okay,
So
so
we'll
it's
go
my
ahead
turn.
and hold. Now you got to add some
Laundry
laundry
detergent.
detergent. So now you're going to mix the glue that you have already in there.
Mix it up.
Mix, 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 mix. Show your viewers. Glue and glitter glue. Mix, 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 mix. See how it gets so glittery?
It looks
Okay.
like the cereal crunch.
So now
Laundry detergent.
laundry detergent. Add a little bit at a time. And that's enough for now. Mix, 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 mix.
Okay, yeah, so
Keep mixing.
mix it, mix the
It's working.
It makes the honey.
Don't forget to mix the glitter you have on your bowl, on the sides of your bowl. There you go. Keep mixing, mixing, mixing. So it gets all together.
And that's okay, you can stand up, Mom.
Cool.
Okay.
Let's see if we need a little bit more glue on this one.
Yeah.
Stir it, stir, stir, stir.
How long do you
Or do we need more laundry detergent?
Or do we need more laundry detergent? It's one or the other.
That's enough, Boo-boo.